Have you been searching for a mountain home of your own? A place to relax and gather with family and friends and create memories here in the mountains close to all of the activities you love? This 3-story mountain modern home might be the one for you. Come on in. Welcome to the sanctuary at Keystone. This home was completed in 2020 and probably ticks most of the boxes on your dream home list. Ensuite bedrooms, there are 3. Mountain views, there's some from almost every single window. Gas fireplace, it's the center of the living room. This home is built for gathering. This open concept great room is on the 2nd floor to maximize mountain views, and the great room is centered around this beautiful kitchen. The island features waterfall countertops, and the kitchen has stainless steel appliances throughout, including this beautiful wolf range that is a chef's dream. All of this ample counter space makes it perfect for cooking and entertaining. Just off the kitchen is the sweat bar that features a wine and beverage fridge, and it's the perfect place to mix up a cocktail before cozying up by the gas fireplace in the living area. In the warmer months, you'll appreciate the large deck and gas grill that are just off the dining area. The deck off the dining area is just one of 3 decks in this home. The second is a private deck off the primary suite. The primary suite features large windows with mountain views as well as a walk-in closet, a spacious bathroom with a soaking tub and shower. The 3rd floor of this home features a small office area and 2 additional bedrooms. Both of these have ensuite bathrooms, and one of them has a full walk-in closet. In total, this home has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms that, as it is currently furnished, sleeps 10. By Summit County short-term rental rules, this resort zone can sleep up to 12 as far as how many you can advertise it sleeping on short-term rental websites. If you're at all concerned about owning a home with 3 floors where you have to climb stairs up here at elevation, don't worry, this home has a residential elevator. On the ground floor of this home is where we find the entrance to the oversized 2-car garage and the ample-sized mudroom area with hooks for coats and cubbies for hats and gloves. There's a full-size bathroom as well as a secondary living space. This secondary living space is perfect for playing board games, watching movies, playing video games, because just off of this living space is where we find the bunk room. No dream mountain home would be complete without a hot tub, and this one even comes with views of Keystone. If you'd like more information about this home or to set up a private showing, reach out to me, Betsy Repaske.